metallic bonding. First point, okay, so the 4-point templates for answering melting point and boiling point questions. So there are 4 points that you need to mention in your answer. First one, structure. Second, bonding. Third, the particles involved. And fourth one, the energy level. So make sure your answer consists of these 4 points. So let's look at metals. Metals, they have high melting and boiling point. So why? First, it has what? Giant metallic structure. Strong metallic bonds exist between metal cations and the sea of delocalized electrons. So this is the structure. So take note of the drawing. Sometimes the question might ask you to draw. So take note, the positive cations are here, okay, in the regular arrangement in the solid states, okay, whereas the electrons will be moving around in between the empty spaces between them, okay, and just make sure you denote them accordingly. Next point, since they are strong metallic bonds, thus a lot of energy is needed to overcome these strong bonds. Thus, it has a high melting and boiling point. Okay. What about the solubility and the electrical conductivity? So take note, only reactive metals will react with water, such as potassium and sodium, whereas like copper, silver, gold, they do not react with water. What about the conductivity? All metals can conduct electricity in both solid and molten states, so especially solid states. Okay, so reason, they are delocalized electrons, thus they can help to conduct electricity. Okay, next one. So this is just a summary. So we have finished everything. So just a fast recap on metals. So giant metallic structure, strong metallic bonds. Okay, so what are the particles? Cations and a sea of delocalized electrons. And then the melting and boiling points are high. And then the solubility, okay, depends on the metal. And then they are insoluble in organic solvent. And then for this, the most important, they can conduct in both solid and molten. Okay, so that's all. Okay, bye.